One thing which again I want to go on, it's kind of under the content banner, is around pricing. So we see this at the moment. Anyone who used Uber or one of these delivery apps, they have the surge pricing. So you're trying to get a cab somewhere and it's raining or there's a big event going on and there's not enough cabs, so prices increase. And if people are still buying, prices increase more. And what that does is it encourages people who are drivers in Uber to start working, so because they can make more money. It kind of like balances this supply and demand. You may argue that they're price gouging, but you may also argue that it's a good thing because when people need a taxi, they can still, in most cases, get one. In an ideal world, all businesses would be able to charge the correct amount, like whatever the customers are willing to pay for their products. That's not possible at the moment because it's too difficult to calculate, or because you don't have enough data on your customers, or if you do have enough data, you can't always display it uniquely. So think of going into a supermarket or something. You can't show me one price and the next person another price, at least not yet anyway.
I think people would be so pissed off as well.
Yeah, well, I mean, when Ryanair started doing this for flights, then people realized you could just go back into incognito window or use a VPN or whatever and go through it. It kind of broke the system a bit, and it really does. Something with price is a really like personal thing. If you feel like you got a bad deal because of an algorithm or because of something kind of out with your control, that they're trying to get the most amount of money and you haven't got the best deal, it's a bad thing. From a business perspective, it's great, right? If you have enough data to determine what someone is willing to pay for something, then that's, again, really interesting.